One hostile entering the system,
Red alert,
sir.
shields
They are
up.
powering up their weapon systems.
Here we go again.
Not a drill. Repeat. Action station. Action station. Set condition 1 throughout the ship. Not a drill.
Shields are at 75%.
Their forward shield is draining.
Sir, they are draining our dorsal shield.
Their bottom shield is draining, sir.
Auxiliary power is at 50%. Shields are at 75%. Captain, their attacks are draining our starboard shield.
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
Captain, auxiliary power is beginning to fluctuate. I'll have to reduce power to secondary systems to compensate.
Target hull integrity at 75%.
Target
Main
disabled.
power is fluctuating,
Sir,
Captain. We'll
that's
have
the
to reduce
last.
power to some
I
systems.
believe we're in the clear.
That was not
Intercept
really the
course,
kind of party I was
cancel red
expecting.
alert. Aye, Captain. All stations, damage report.
Impulse engines are fully functional. Warp engines fully functional, Captain.
Sensor system is fully functional.
Hull integrity at 100%. Shields are at 75%.
Your orders, sir?